Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Golf Range Finder from the company Acegmet. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, A-C-E-G-M-E-T. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. I get nothing for doing these videos, just trying to help fellow shoppers out there, and in this case, fellow golfers. Not sure that you're going to be able to see all the specifications on this. It is a 650-yard rangefinder. It has a flag lock, which is kind of a cool feature. When you're looking on the golf course, once it finds the flag, it'll vibrate and let you know, and then it'll lock into the flag so it doesn't catch any other items behind the flag, which is neat. The main reason I went for this one is because it has a rechargeable battery. There's plenty of them out there if you don't mind changing the battery. So let's look at what all we get. Quick instruction pamphlet, an inspector card, polishing cloth, and then as I mentioned, it's rechargeable. They give you a charging cable. It is a standard Android charging cable. Really nice zipper carrying case. Got a little lock there. Also has a clip on the back so you can clip it to your golf bag, or in my case, hunting bag, because I'm going to be using it for golf as well as hunting. And then let's take a look at the rangefinder itself. So it has a 6x optical zoom, and it also has automatic shut-off. So if you're using it and you haven't used it for 6 seconds, after 6 seconds, it'll automatically shut off to preserve battery life. Here's the little USB port for you to charge it. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.